Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we have a killer show lined up for you guys. We are going to be cooking up a FRANKEN-FOOT meatloaf. It's going to be incredible. I can't wait to tear into this thing. It's got all sorts of goodies inside of it. So, who's coming over tonight? Guys, we have Cary Jordan on bass. We also have Brett Norton on guitar. Myself, Will Bloomberg on drums, and also Matt Horhoda on saxophone. It's going to be incredible. So, without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! FRANKEN-FOOT meatloaf, here we go. We're going in with some regular beef, ground beef. Go leaner if you can, because we're going to be adding some pork as well. Make sure you get the paper out of there. We're going to be mixing these two together. The pork really adds to the flavor and the juiciness of the whole thing, really. Next, we're going to be going in with some diced onion and bell pepper, and I'm going to be using 4 cloves of garlic. Alright, just like that. Highly recommend one of these, by the way. Little garlic presses are perfect. Next, we're going to be going in with our breadcrumbs. We're going to be using a cup and a half. 2 eggs, lightly beaten. Let's give that a mix up. All right, before we get too crazy with this, we're also going to be putting in some ketchup and some Worcestershire. We're also going in with some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, along with some barbecue rub. I'm using my own BBQ Jams rub on this, and also some SPG from Haywood's. I'm going both hands, why not? Just go all in, people. Have some fun with it. I also pre-dyed some garlic cloves for the toenails of our FRANKEN-FOOT, so it should be pretty cool when we assemble this thing all together. So I'm cooking this in an indirect heat, 350 on my green egg, indirect, and we're looking for an internal temperature of 160 to 165 for a finished cook. So getting ready to start assembling this foot here in just a minute, so you guys hang tight. Time to form the foot. I've got a piece of butcher's paper here along on a pan. I'm going to be cooking again. I'm going to be cooking this on the green egg in an indirect way. I'm going to plop this right down on top of here and form a foot.
But plop. Just plop.
We're plopping it.
We're plopping.
Plopping it like it's hot. And there you have the FRANKEN-FOOT meatloaf. Come on, people, are we gonna get involved with that or what? Oh yeah. Woo.
Oh yeah.
Now we gotta go test it out to see how Frankenstein likes his foot. All right, Frankie, let's see what you think of your new foot. We're getting ready to bake her off. Woo! I think that's appropriate. Looks really good. Wow. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right, here we go. We're going to throw her in the pit. Woo! Hey, shout out to my sister Lauren, by the way. She had the idea for this tonight for tonight's cook, so thanks so much. We're going on the green egg. Here we go, Bigfoot. Our FRANKEN-FOOT. Yeah. All right. We will see you guys back here in a little bit. We're gonna wait about 35 minutes. We're gonna come back and we're gonna put a glaze on it, and then we're gonna glaze it every 10 minutes after that until it hits about 160. So 165 somewhere on there. You guys like, subscribe, enjoy these jams. We're gonna catch you back here in a minute. Woo! Let's make a quick glaze for this FRANKEN-FOOT meatloaf. So here we go. Gonna be doing about a cup of ketchup. Throwing in some Worcestershire. And some BBQ Jams rub. Boom, just like that. Super simple, quick and easy, nice little glaze, and we'll be glazing here in just a little bit. So you guys hang tight, enjoy these jams. We'll be right back. Okay, going in for a glaze, guys. Here we go. Okay. All right, we're all glazed up, people. We'll see you guys back here in just a minute. We're gonna do one more glaze on this, and then we're gonna be pulling this FRANKEN-FOOT. So here we go. All right, guys, we'll be right back. FRANKEN-FOOT, here we go. Good. Guys, this thing looks incredibly amazing. It smells delicious for a foot from Frankenstein. But guys, I'm ready to cut into this thing and see what we have. No. Yes. Let's do a split shot here. How's that looking over there? Ooh. Looking delish. Looking delish. Oh, baby. Dude, look at that. Oh, you got a little smoke ring around there. Nice. Don't stop the plop. Don't stop the plop. And give this one a little cut here. And I'm going to bring the guys in and we're going to start chowing down on this foot. I hope you guys are ready. So, here we go. Cary Jordan, come on in, buddy.
Cary loves feet.
I'll have you know I'm not into feet. I don't have a foot fetish.
We also have Matt Horhody coming over.
You into feet? You want the first one? I don't know if I'm going for the toes. I gotta get mentally ready for this.
I feel like I should go for the toes. What's up?
You gotta close your eyes.
Welcome
it's not
to
a
the
foot.
show, bro.
Alright, let's do it. I'm doing it. I'm going in.
Okay, y'all grab a piece. Ooh, pretty nice and hot.
It is cheers.
Do a foot cheers.
I'm doing a toe. I'm doing it.
You going for the toe?
I'm going it.
I'm gonna go.
This one right here looks.
Oh, you're gonna go with the garlic too, huh?
Looks appealing.
Oh!
That is a color.
I gotta take that off.
Come on, look at that.
Ooh, look at that. Got a little fungus under that toenail.
Dude. Golly.
Oh, baby.
That is killer. Yeah.
Oh,
That is killer.
oh.
Best toes I've ever put in my mouth.
Whoa! The fungus toe just nailed it. Did it? Nailed it? Is that part of the pun? No?
Hello.
Okay, hey. Guys, thank y'all so much for being here tonight. We're gonna have some killer jams going on.
Heck yeah.
Dude!
Great.
Y'all need to get involved with this FRANKEN-FOOT. It is off the charts, dude. This is such a great episode. Great, recipe and episode too. You guys like and subscribe. You know the drill.
Get Mr.
Martine's coming in.
Wonderful.
We also have James Salzer over here. Come on in, guys.
Mr. Wonderful.
Oh,
I hear you're an aficionado when it comes to meatloaf there, James Salzer.
this foot's about to
Is
get
it
destroyed.
different? Is the foot different?
It's just meatloaf.
The foot's got a little bit of garlic on it.
Oh, well, let me go foot if it's okay.
Little hangnail.
Oh, I knew he was into those feet. He's got a little hangnail on there too. Ooh, hey. FRANKEN-FOOT.
Oh, this is awesome. Very interesting.
Whoa.
And it's wonderful.
Hey! We got a wonderful. Woo!
Good job.
I know, we need a bell iron.
So the foot's a little different.
Guys, we are going to tear up this foot. You guys like, subscribe, check out these jams. We will see you guys back here in a little bit. Thank you for checking out the channel, by the way. So come on, let's get involved, people. Woo! Go get involved right now. Alright guys, we had an excellent show tonight. That FRANKEN-FOOT Meatloaf was off the charts.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of that?
Hell yeah.
Better than us.
Come
Sexy
on.
time.
Wonderful.
Come on.
Wonderful.
Oh, that meatloaf
Very
was
nice.
insane. By
Very
the
nice.
way, oh, I gotta go high five back. Thank you, Jeffrey. Guys, thank you all so much for tuning in and being a part of the show. Thank you so much, Derek Enter from the merch company. As always, buddy, you are just killing it with us. Thank you so much. Guys, that's it for the night. Y'all go check it out. Like, subscribe. Y'all know the drill. Peace.
Yeah. You know it.